Buildonskills.com is an online course platform to learn professional designing online. You can choose any course of your interest and get lifetime access and learn at your pace and convenience and access courses from anywhere in the world 24/7. Learn 3D architectural designing using Blender. This is a very good course both for beginners as well as the professionals, and we take you through all the process right from importing the CAD drawing to modeling, texturing, lighting and rendering of this residential project. Then we have learning interior designing using Blender, which is a new course, and this is a very detailed course which takes you through a full apartment project in which we'll be creating all the models including all the furniture, texturing, lighting and rendering of the full sequences, and then we'll be creating the 360-degree views as well as the 3D plan cutout of this. We also provide a combo package of these two courses which is called Master Interior and Architecture Designing using Blender. So make use of these courses at the best and unleash your creative potential in interior and architectural designing with Blender's powerful tools and techniques.